The wise old owl. The wise old owl. In a dense forest. In a dense forest. There lived a wise old owl named Oliver. There lived a wise old owl named Oliver. Every evening, he perched on the tallest tree. Every evening, he perched on the tallest tree and observed everything that happened in the forest. He watched the rabbits play. He watched the rabbits play. The squirrels gather food. The squirrels gather food. And the birds sing their songs. And the birds sing their songs. One day, a young rabbit named Benny ran up to Oliver. One day, a young rabbit named Benny ran up to Oliver. Owl, I need your help. Owl, I need your help. I always speak without thinking. I always speak without thinking. And it gets me into trouble, Benny said sadly. And it gets me into trouble, Benny said sadly. Oliver nodded wisely. Oliver nodded wisely. Listening is the key to wisdom, he said. Listening is the key to wisdom, he said. When you listen more and speak carefully, when you listen more and speak carefully, you will understand others better. You will understand others better and make fewer mistakes. And make fewer mistakes. Benny decided to follow Oliver's advice. Benny decided to follow Oliver's advice. He started listening before speaking. He started listening before speaking. And thought carefully about his words. And thought carefully about his words. Soon, he made more friends. Soon, he made more friends and avoided unnecessary arguments. And avoided unnecessary arguments. The animals in the forest noticed Benny's change. The animals in the forest noticed Benny's change and admired his wisdom. And admired his wisdom. He had learned that true knowledge comes not from talking too much. He had learned that true knowledge comes not from talking too much, but from listening and thinking before speaking. But from listening and thinking before speaking.